Hey guys, what's going on again? So I just left the hotel, so I'm on my way in the Montego Bay town to pick up my friend because she'll be staying with us. So I'm actually 10 minutes away and she's already there waiting on me. Hold and behold, I'm late, always late. So I know she's gonna cost me when we reach because she already gave me the time that she'll be reaching. Ew, what we look at there? Anyways, so yeah, gotta pick her up now and then I go back at the hotel. So yeah, people, see you guys later. Hello, ho. You vexing me? I have 15 minutes here wait for. You must tired if you wake up so early.
You know, wake up early and then I went back to sleep and nearly missed the bus.
What?
Hello, lucky girl. Say hi to my YouTube people. Hello.
Watch bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, come here, wash out my car, you know.
Alright. Pepsi. Ready? I love that. Tuck in, tuck in, tuck in. Whoa, whoa, not too much, miss. I saw your ribs. So guys, guess what? I'll be going on this. So this is what? Sailboat. Oh, so guys, I'll be going on the sailboat. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So of course it comes at an additional cost, but you know, a birthday and things, so have to. YOLO. So I'll try to take some videos when I'm on this, guys. Sign away like please and thanks. Okay. Oh. So any discount for the birthday girl?
I'm sorry, my dog. No, I'm sorry.
So Nika, should keep tucking your belly. No, girl.
Is that better?
Yes. Ready? Yeah. Wait, make sure paddle first and go out. Wait, somebody don't move yet. Somebody will come. Picture. What's it? What am I pushing off? Water coming in? So she's going out. Going out. Yeah, please. Just put them. Please. No, they don't. Oh! Yes. Bye. See you next year. Yeah.
They don't know how to come back home. Look how close they are to the shoreline. Look how close your friends are to the shoreline.
Yeah. Ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Well, I'm putting on my glasses. Water coming for me? Alright. Oh, I'll just sit down. Anyway? Yes, sir? Oh, yes, sir. Woo! Yeah. No. I can't swim. You see you put me at the edge? But me hold on, man. The shot now.
Yeah.
One and only shot for the weekend. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Click, 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 click,
Okay,
click,
ready,
click.
go.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
She finally got out, guys. Finally. After 2 days. After 2 days, people. Right?
After 10 days.
Better 10 days late than never.
Hey guys, what's going on? So just to give you guys an update, today I did a lot of activities. What? In our chair.
Yes, in my chair.
So give me, I can't finish the video, girl. I know you get up. So you can't finish the video?
Yes, finish the video.
I don't even remember what I'm going to say.
You did a lot of activities.
Oh, yeah, I did some awesome activities today.
And she nearly let us die on the kayak. Died. We nearly died.
What we did today, we did kayaking. I did the sailboat thing. That was, I had to pay for that. And we did the paddle boarding. So, yeah. That was it. And the lazy river is lazy times 3. Literally, because once you go in there, the thing a creep. But just as I reach the bend on the other side, it's like you have to get outside and push it yourself. Like the flowing was not working at all. Like I want to call that lazy river. Guys, watch them more than lazy. Literally. Watch them. It's time for dinner! Get up! I'm the big and lazy like. Watch it. Watch on one here. From 4 o'clock she asleep.
With mashed potatoes and some steamed veg. Or you have grilled veg. Good to know what you want. Or grilled veg and some mashed potatoes. Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. What's going on? So today is our last day. Unfortunately, I'm kind of super sad because I've been having so much fun and it's so relaxing and peaceful. So yeah, I did a lot of activities yesterday. So for our last day, we're just gonna chill by the pool until our checkout time. I think checkout time is at 12 o'clock. So yeah, I wanted to just probably give a little review. I wouldn't call it like a full outline or review. I'm just gonna give you guys some things that I liked and I didn't like. What I liked, you know, definitely outweighed the bad. So first of all, when we came in, check-in was smooth as hell and it just took a couple of minutes. And like I mentioned, guys, we got an upgrade. I requested a free upgrade and I got a quarter ocean view room, which was fine because initially the person at the front desk, she said that our room was facing the other room. So I'm kind of happy about that. I got a little cute view that, like you guys saw. Secondly, we went to lunch. Listen, no, we're like, you know, I'm gonna talk about the food first. I think the food should have been the first thing that I spoke about. The food was bomb. Like I had no complaints with nothing at all. Like even if it's Corona time and some things are reduced, but there was still a lot of options. Like so food top notch overall, but every night was 5/5. I'm just grading it out of 5. Everything was 5/5. What else was good? Staff. Listen, every single person was friendly. Personally, I did not came across anybody with, you know, have a little
attitude or, you know, just because me a local and not pay me attention. Everybody pay me attention, girl. Literally everybody. Once you're by the poolside, you will have the random staff just walking around asking if you're okay, if you need anything. You necessarily don't have to get up and go by the bar. So plus on that I'll be right.
Alright guys, so I had some audio issues, so I'm just gonna finish my review doing a voiceover and just picking up from staff. There's just one other thing I like to mention is that they are so accommodating. I remember one instance where last dinner we had for somewhat reason we did not like the menu, and the other restaurant that was open, it was a seafood restaurant and their menu was very appealing. So it was around 30 minutes before the closing time, and one of us just went down there and just requested if we could switch restaurants, and you know they did say yes. So that was really awesome as well, because for those restaurants it's only done via reservations. So you know that was a plus that they took us in, you know, without a reservation, and also 30 minutes before the kitchen closes. So kudos to them on that. So guys, as it relates to entertainment, they do have an app where you could check their daily activities, or you can always go check the notice board area. So for me personally, I'm not really into entertainment. I just prefer to just lie by the pool and drink all day. That's me. But they did have, you know, activities where, you know, for persons who love that, can keep themselves occupied throughout the day. As it relates to the nightly entertainment, one night they did have a jazz night, and they also have a bar opening. Well, I will call it a nightclub that opens nightly. So yeah, they had music, they had a DJ, and you know, staff, the bartender staff, though he was great as well. However, as it relates to playing music and that DJ, I'm sorry DJ, but yeah, I really did not enjoy the music, and personally he didn't play well for me for both nights that I was there. So yeah, for grading, I'll probably just give him a 2 out of 5. And yeah, so 2 out of 5 review for me. And I did request for him to play some soca music, and he did give me that, so kudos to you. But I really wish that, you know, the selection was better, so I could have had more fun in the club. So moving on, I had already spoken about the lazy river. So yeah, I'm not really gonna cover that, but just so you know guys, that thing was not working 100%. I'm guessing not all the pumps were turned on, because once I reached at a certain point, then I was going backwards. So yeah, keep that in mind guys. So guys, for my final review, once we checked out at 12 o'clock, the guy at the front desk, you know, he thanked us for coming, yada yada yada. And he said the most important thing ever. He said the latest time we can leave the property is at 5 p.m. Can you believe that? 5 p.m. That was so crazy and such a shocker. Unfortunately, guys, we weren't able to stay up until 5 p.m. because we were all the way in Montego Bay. And, you know, we have curfew now in Jamaica at 8 p.m. So, yeah, but that's really a thumbs up to, you know, thumbs up to persons who have an interest in going to this resort. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't as yet, and click that notification bell. Like, share, and subscribe as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye now.